Okay, friends. Till now we have studied from. Yeah, I have opened here Notepad plus plus. Okay, you can download it from anywhere from Notepad plus plus site. Okay. Now we will run this. Okay. This is our output, and what we have studied in the last second tutorial. After that we will run from next. Okay, here we will use the border. Okay, padding left 100 pixel. Okay, we have to remove the padding for using padding left. Okay, we have saved this. Now see what happens. Semicolon is missing. Okay, save this. Okay, now save this. This is from left. It is given in the padding 100 pixel. Okay, you understand what is the padding? Okay. Now after this we will learn. We have learned the padding and border also. We can make the border rounded. Okay. For this and padding we can use the suppose. We can use all the directions padding in one place. For this, we will write here. Suppose here first we will first location will give the position of top. Okay, top top. Second will give the position of right. After that it will give position of bottom. Okay, and after this it will give the position of left value. Okay, left. Suppose we want 100 pixel from bottom, no, top, 100 pixel from right, 2 pixel from right, 100 pixel from 200 pixel from bottom, 200 pixel from bottom. Okay, and first we will make the font size normal. Okay, 10 pixel. And from first top, then right, then bottom, and then left. Okay. Mm. Okay, then 200 pixel from bottom, and left suppose 50 pixel, 50 pixel. Okay, save this. Okay, we got from bottom is then the right is the problem. We can change the size of this bit. Suppose we have given width. Suppose we does not give width and height. Then see what happens. Save this. Okay, we have got a left. Then at first we got top, then right, then bottom, and then left. From left we got 50 pixel, from bottom we have got 200 pixel, and from these two sides 100 pixel. Okay. Okay. Now we have to understand what is the margin. Okay. Margin, suppose we have given margin. GIN margin. Margin there, suppose left we have got some margin. Left 200 pixel. Save this. From left, we this is the border. After this, margin comes. First is the content. After this, padding and border, and after that, margin will come. From left, we will got some margin. Okay, and here is the margin. Okay, we have got some margin from left. Okay, we can also give margins similarly like padding top, right, bottom, and left. And explicitly we can also write down margin left, margin top, margin bottom, etc. Okay, now we have understand what is margin. Now we want to tell you about border radius. Okay, there is one property, border radius. Border radius. Radius. Suppose we give this 20 pixel. Okay, save this. This will not work in Internet Explorer. For this, we will open the Chrome. Okay, open with Google Chrome. This is the border radius. Okay, some radius property has come into. Now we have given radius. We can also give the border, top, dash, left, dash radius. This will affect only top left position. Okay, top left radius. Similarly, we can give top, right, bottom left, bottom right. Similarly, it will affect only top left. Only top left is affected, and all these are corner. Okay. Similarly, we can learn. We can also write down these. Suppose this style is in the HTML page itself. We can create another page and we can give link for this. Okay, this is called .css page. Suppose we have created um, new. Suppose we can create a new notepad plus plus file. Okay, new new. We can save this. Okay, save as. We can save this in desktop, on desktop, and its name is style, style one dot css. We can write down css code here, style one dot css. Okay, now we can copy this code and write down this. Control C, Control V. Okay, Now we can remove this from here.
तुम कहाँ कर रही हो? क्या हुआ?
Video बना देते